Have you ever wondered what Ramadan is all about? Why do Muslims around the world fast from sunrise to sunset? And what makes this month so special? Welcome to Quickapedia, where we break down big topics into bite-sized explanations. Today, we're diving into the holy month of Ramadan, its meaning, history, and how it's celebrated. Let's get started. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar and is considered the holiest month for Muslims. It's a time of fasting, prayer, reflection, and community. But where did it all begin? The history of Ramadan dates back to the 7th century, when the Quran, the holy book of Islam, was first revealed to the Prophet Muhammad. This revelation is believed to have occurred during Laylat al-Qadr, or the Night of Power, which is one of the last 10 nights of Ramadan. Ramadan lasts for 29 or 30 days, depending on the sighting of the moon. Because the Islamic calendar is lunar, Ramadan shifts by about 10 days each year in the Gregorian calendar. This means Muslims around the world experience Ramadan in different seasons throughout their lives. So, what does Ramadan entail? During this month, Muslims fast from dawn to sunset, abstaining from food, drink, and other physical needs. But Ramadan is about more than just fasting. It's a time for spiritual growth, self-discipline, and empathy for those less fortunate. Muslims also increase their prayers, recite the Quran, and give to charity, known as zakat or sadaqah. Each day, the fast is broken with a meal called iftar, often starting with dates and water, following the tradition of the Prophet Muhammad. Iftar is a time for families and communities to come together, share food, and celebrate their faith. Before dawn, Muslims eat a pre-fast meal called suhoor to prepare for the day ahead. Here are some interesting facts about Ramadan. The tradition of Ramadan lanterns, or fanus, originated in Egypt and is now a symbol of Ramadan worldwide. In some countries, cannons are fired to signal the end of the fasting day. The end of Ramadan is marked by Eid al-Fitr, a festive holiday where Muslims gather for prayers, exchange gifts, and enjoy special meals. And that's a quick guide to Ramadan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Quickapedia for more fascinating explainers. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.